at least 3 of the 4 states, this has actually happened. And in the 4th state, as I indicated to you, one of the key reasons seems apparent. But was that the only reason? Only time will tell. But that seems to be an important reason. And if we had been able to tackle that reason, which was our internal weakness, we could not do that. Maybe in the 4th state also it could have happened. देखिए, इसके ऊपर हम लोग विश्लेषण करेंगे और निश्चित रूप से पार्टी का इंटरनल अफेयर्स होते हैं, लेकिन कोई सीक्रेट अफेयर्स नहीं होते. तो जो भी उस पर हमारा विश्लेषण होगा आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे. I think again my answer is the same. This is too simplistic, in the sense that it's obvious that terrorism is a key issue in the country, but then in an election there is always a basket of issues, and therefore which one prevails more than the other is a factor. And therefore, to say, for example, can I say that price rise was an issue in Madhya Pradesh and not in Rajasthan? Last time, when the Shining India campaign and a comment was it didn't succeed, well, it did succeed in 6 states. So therefore, it's not the only issue. These are all, election is a multiple factor.
We wanted a broadside comment of yours. Is it a sign of evolving democracy wherein positive campaign does bring you back to office?
देखिए, it's a question worth considering with the enhanced revenues of the states. If the states can use their enriched revenues for pro-people scheme, then anti-incumbency need not be the rule. And I think this is also a good learning experience for the political system. Well,
that you just chose a guy who just made the same.
no, I think, as I said, we will analyze this in detail as to the political atmosphere, delimitation, demography, selection of candidates, issues, pro-incumbency, anti-incumbency, leadership. As I said, these are several issues. Now, which was more predominant, we'll have to consider this.
How much since you are very closely associated with them? How much was the infight? Because we heard, you see, the corporators were denying it.
देखिए,
Not listening. There was Vijay Jolly who was openly saying.
Nina, I was associated at the up to the stage of selection of candidates in Delhi. There were different kinds of viewpoints. But once the candidates were announced, I did not see any significant or even minor infighting in the party. Most people were involved in campaigning in elections. As against a large number that Congress had, we had 2 rebels out of the 70 seats, and one of those 2, Kiradi, we have won, despite a rebel. Therefore, the infighting factor was insignificant. The rebel factor in Delhi also really did not exist.
Do you think Sheila Dikshit got it right then? I mean, the BJP.
Well, I think,
For a change, appreciate, sir. For a change, appreciate the other.
well, I have gone on record in the morning itself and congratulated her for her win for her party. I have gone on record doing that. देखिए, from the point of view of the Lok Sabha elections, I think the results are reasonably satisfactory from our point of view. In 2 large states, we won, and in Madhya Pradesh, we won by a big margin. In fact, the biggest margin in this election is there. In Rajasthan, the key reason seems apparent, and therefore, we have only very narrowly lagged behind. And therefore, from the point of view of Lok Sabha election, we certainly have a reasonably good base to start off from. In fact, numerically, a better base than the Congress. देखिए, स्टेट्स के दिल्ली में जीत जाते तो शायद सेलिब्रेशन दिल्ली में आपको ज्यादा दिखता।
रायपुर भोपाल में हो रहा है।
भोपाल और रायपुर में तो निश्चित रूप से हो रहा है जी। देखिए, कभी एक राज्य का परिणाम आया और वहां जीतते तो निश्चित रूप से होता था। यहाँ दिल्ली का चुनाव था और दिल्ली में जीते नहीं हैं और इसलिए दिल्ली में सेलिब्रेशन हो वो शायद आपको भी विचित्र लगता है।
Mr. Malhotra, the new LOP in Delhi Assembly, sir?
Well, the party will, in due course, take a decision.
That both Vasundhara and Malhotra will not like to be tied down to the assembly, and they will both rush Lok Sabha.
But I think you don't give ideas to us. We'll decide for ourselves. अभी इसका कोई आंसर नहीं है। पार्टी इस पे निर्णय लेगी और क्योंकि आप मुख्यमंत्री तुरंत 1-2 दिन में तय करना होता है और दोनों प्रांतों में प्रोजेक्टेड कैंडिडेट्स हैं और इसलिए कुछ दिनों में बाकी दोनों विधानसभाओं में भी नेता कौन होंगे, that's not the only reason why the parliamentary board met. That process will resume now. I don't think there is any such proposal, but that process will resume. मैंने अपना व्यू पॉइंट सबको समझाया।
Was there a discussion in the party on accountability of those who decided on Vasundhara and Vijay Kumar Malhotra as the party's candidate?
डिटेल्स ऑफ डिस्कशन हम थोड़ा आपसे दूर रखते हैं।
चलिए, अच्छा हम अभी चैनल पे जाते हैं।
आप जाइए भाई।
देखिए, अच्छा